Frizzy hair. It's a common problem that many of us face, leaving us feeling frustrated and helpless. Whether it's caused by humidity, hair damage, or simply our hair type, frizz can make even the most carefully styled hair look unruly and unkempt. But don't despair. Understanding the causes of frizz and discovering the right products and techniques can make a world of difference. By following a few simple tips and tricks, you can say goodbye to frizzy hair for good and embrace smooth, shiny, and manageable locks. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to frizz-free hair days. To combat frizz effectively, it's essential to understand what causes it in the first place. One major culprit is humidity. When the air is humid, it contains more moisture, and our hair strands absorb this moisture, causing them to swell and become frizzy. Another common cause is hair damage. When hair cuticles are damaged from heat styling, chemical treatments, or environmental factors, they become raised and rough, leading to frizz and tangles. Lastly, lack of moisture can also contribute to frizz. When our hair is dry, it seeks moisture from the air, leading to the same frizz-inducing swelling we experience in humid conditions. Now that we understand the causes of frizz, let's explore the best ingredients for combating it and restoring smoothness to your hair. Natural oils like coconut oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil are excellent for taming frizz. These oils penetrate the hair shaft, moisturizing it from the inside out and smoothing down the cuticles. Silicones, found in many hair serums and conditioners, can also help to combat frizz. They coat the hair shaft, creating a barrier against humidity and preventing moisture from penetrating and causing frizz. Lastly, proteins like keratin and amino acids are essential for strengthening and repairing damaged hair. By incorporating products rich in these ingredients into your hair care routine, you can effectively combat frizz and restore smoothness and shine. Section 4. Taming the mane, your daily frizz-fighting routine. Once you've found the right products, it's time to establish a daily hair care routine that will keep frizz at bay. Start by using a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for frizzy or dry hair. After washing, gently squeeze out excess water and apply a leave-in conditioner or hair oil to lock in moisture. Avoid rubbing your hair with a towel, as this can cause friction and lead to frizz. When styling, opt for heatless methods whenever possible, such as air drying or braiding. If you must use heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand to minimize damage and frizz. Section 5. Farewell frizz. Embracing smooth and shiny hair. Saying goodbye to frizzy hair is achievable with the right knowledge and a consistent hair care routine. By understanding the causes of frizz, using the right products, and following these simple tips, you can transform your hair from frizzy and unmanageable to smooth, shiny, and full of life. Remember to choose products that address your specific hair needs, whether it's dryness, damage, or a combination of factors. Be patient, consistent, and embrace the journey to frizz-free hair days.